Okay, we have another UI8 core dashboard builder. Plenty of screens, a bunch of components, and it look very, very high level. Let's see, we have some buttons, some menus, some icons, elements, blinded. I'm just assuming they're the same inputs, error states. That's good. Do we have auto layout? Yes, we do. No variables though. Colors, neutrals. Okay, let's jump into some of the screens and see what we have here. I see light and dark mode as well as tablet and mobile, which is nice. I'm gonna put the mobile version on my phone. Looks good on the phone, though most of these have way too little information for a dashboard. And by the way, these wavy lines are designed, you can see this designer did not put actually a lot of effort into it. Dark mode looks good. Overall, it's not bad. It's more like a designy dashboard that you do for like a marketing thing, which is actually a good starting point, right? It has a lot of good elements, navigation. I don't know how much this costs, but I can see why you would buy it to speed up your workflow. And again, a bunch of settings and stuff just to jumpstart your work. It looks carefully curated. The only thing that pisses me off a little bit is just the dashboards don't really have enough information. Usually dashboards have a lot of charts, data to get more. This is just too high level. Other than that, not much to complain. Looks like the proportion fonts, maybe the colors. I would do a little color check before and after, but other than that, looks pretty slick. Which, again, is not something you can say about most UI8 kits. Yeah, lots of stuff. Not sure what dashboards have to do with this shit, but anyway, yeah, plenty of good stuff to get inspired.